Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Westfield, New Jersey. I'm actually doing a service on one of our recently installed Cambridges, making some adjustments on the door. So I wanted to take advantage of the fact that I needed to take a sweep off to show you, even though I highly recommend not doing this yourself, hiring a professional is always best. But let's just say you didn't and don't want to, and you want to go for it. I'll show you how we can take this bottom sweep off, clean it up, put it back on, or replace it if we need to. So the real thing here is not to remove the top wheels. The top wheels are very important because these are literally holding the weight of the door on the header, okay? You're not taking these guys off. Instead, what you're doing is taking off the bottom ones. Those bottom ones are what physically locks the door in place so that it doesn't skip off and fall. Now, tools. You need something called a spanner wrench. Now, I've been getting a lot of inquiries on my YouTube page on where folks can get a spanner wrench. Honestly, a spanner wrench is a spanner wrench. You can get one in Home Depot. It doesn't have to be this one specific one. As long as those little nubs protrude about 1/2 inch, it should be more than fine, and that it's adjustable. So the back of the wheels have these holes here. So you use the spanner wrench to tighten lefty loosey, tighty righty, okay? So what I do is I take the bottom wheels off, okay? And I lift this door in such a way that it's coming off contact off the header. I'm just removing it off of the guide and then I rehang it back onto the header, okay? It's still not safe or in a safe condition. You must be careful, but that's pretty much the real only way to do this is physically removing the door. But the shortcut that I've learned is hanging the door onto the header, but off of the bottom guide. I'm working one-handed today, so let me take this off and I'll show you what it looks like. Taking the door off the bottom guide, but not off the header, okay? So it does still operate, but it's not held within the guide. So I go ahead, I come down here, I take the bottom sweep off, and then now you have the opportunity of going ahead and taking a microfiber cloth or a alcohol swab, cleaning up the inside of this guy, drying it up, dry up the bottom of the glass, and then just slip it right back on. And then the same way you did the method of lifting the glass only out of the header is the same way you're gonna reattach the door after you put the bottom sweep back on. So let's see what that looks like. It's all cleaned up. I cleaned the bottom surface here, and I've also cleaned the bottom sweep. All right. Again, I'm doing this one-handed. I do not recommend you doing this one-handed, much less doing it at all, but just as a heads up. Let's see how I can do this one-handed. I'm trying to make sure that I do not pull this glass very much, because if I do, it could come off the top rip. Very good. All right, so the sweep is reinstalled. Now it's all about lifting the glass up again, rehanging it while the bottom edge is in that guide. There we go. So I've successfully taken off the bottom sweep, cleaned the bottom surface of the glass, reattached the bottom guide, and now the last step is reattaching the security rollers on the bottom. All right, and do a final little tidy right. Lefty loosey tidy righty, remember? If you're from the 80s, you know that terminology very well. All right, so we've got the bottom rollers on, and we're ready to go. All right, so if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a better spider will crawl on your face.